how you can edit multiple clips in the TikTok app. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to upload multiple videos by clicking the plus button, and then I'm going to click upload, and I'm going to select 3 videos that I want to use. And I'm going to click next after selecting those videos. And if I click on the editing app, the editing icon, you will notice we have all of the videos that we entered, we brought into TikTok. So now what we want to do is to be able to edit those videos, we can play and watch and listen. And then if we don't want the first half, because I was making some mistakes with the first half, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this. You can also like hold on to the clip and just scroll back and forth. So let's say I want to go to the point after I made a mistake. I usually clap after I make mistakes. Boom, and I'll just click on that. I'll hold and I'll click on split, and then that would split the clip, and I'll click on the clip that I don't want and I'll delete it. And that's how you edit in TikTok. And you could choose to go ahead and save that video up here, or you could come back in, you could add your sound, you could add text, or you could even add overlay.